Today I'm going to make strawberry shortcake but use biscuits as the cake. First I'm going to make the biscuits. I'm using this Cracker Barrel baking mix to make the biscuits. In my bowl I added some baking mix and then I'm going to add some milk and then I'm just going to mix that up until it's combined. I lined a cookie sheet with parchment paper and I'm using an ice cream scoop to scoop out the biscuits. Then I'm going to bake the biscuits at 400 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes. While the biscuits are baking, I'm going to cut up some strawberries and make some whipped cream. So right here I have some washed strawberries that I'm going to cut up. Then I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of sugar to the strawberries, mix that up, and then put them in the fridge. Next I'm going to make the whipped cream. I'm going to add some heavy cream and sugar to my bowl. Then I'm just going to mix that up until I get stiff peaks. Now it's time to build the strawberry shortcake. So I already cut the biscuits in half. I'm going to take the tops off and then I'm going to put some whipped cream on each. Next I'm going to add the strawberries and then put the top on. Now that the strawberry shortcakes are done, I'm going to add some powdered sugar. Here's an up-close look of the strawberry shortcakes.